everyone.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another very exciting and special vlog. So, let me just explain a little bit of a timeline. We're back to home sweet home, but the irony is
We are here for only like 4 hours. It's
Yeah.
the 13th of December, 11:30 हो रहे हैं अभी, and we again have to go back to the airport in 4 hours to catch another flight for a very special wedding. किसका क्या हम बोल नहीं सकते because we are in public.
we're
But
trying to maintain secrecy.
Yes.
But basically, we are in Mumbai, but we're not going to be able to go home. In fact, we left home on 29th of November, and we're going to go back home on 29th of December.
yes, 1 full month we won't be going home
Literally
at all.
घर पे जाने नहीं वाले. We are going to be making pit stops in Mumbai, but इतना कम duration के लिए that it doesn't make sense for us to go home. So even right now we're going to go and stay at Aditya's aunt's place for a few hours, change our bags. So हमारा planning इतना अच्छा होने की जरूरत थी November में that we've packed all of our bags and we've kept it ready. So our parents, they were so
Very
nice
sweetly,
enough
yeah.
to drop our bags here. So now we're gonna switch bags. They're gonna come drop it again. Then we're gonna come back from this wedding and then switch bags
again for the third time.
But it's gonna be so exciting. This is like a time that I've always like manifested, like having like back-to-back things happening. It's so exciting. It's very, very tiring. I feel like vlogging is tiring, but traveling is fun.
And
but
that too without
it is
gaps.
So,
this is like a travel
yeah.
without gaps. Like
Yeah.
you don't have any gap days at all. We're just like from one trip to the next on the same day.
We're not complaining. It's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, see you in like a few hours here only at the airport.
Hi guys, it's 5 a.m. We just got done with the airport security check-in and all of that, and we are waiting at a boarding gate. We did not sleep the whole night. We ended up doing time pass with our 3-month-old niece.
Yeah, we had thought that we'll sleep at least 3 घंटे.
Yeah,
but
but
we didn't
then-
even sleep for a minute.
Yeah, because she was up, so we were up. So everyone was up basically. So without sleep, I think थोड़ा difficulty पड़ सकता है कल में, but
We'll
कर लेंगे
see.
manage.
We're young. We
Yeah.
can do it.
Yeah.
And we did manage to sleep quite a bit on our flights.
Yeah, total 19 hours में से I think 6 to 7 hours तो we must have slept.
Maybe more than that for me at least.
For you, but ठीक है, I think should be fine. Let's see.
Oh, wait, our choreography has changed.
We have to
All the songs have changed.
No, just one song.
The
has
last
been
song has changed because we
Also, by the way, look who's here. Can you guess whose wedding we're going to?
Oh shit.
very tough question.
guess. Okay, so the couple is dancing on it, so we have to change it, and it has changed.
कौन सा song है?
Someone
हमारे
tell
चलो.
me.
At
Oh,
the
मुझे वैसे भी
boarding-
इसका choreography
तुझे
वैसे
वो
ही
पसंद
difficult.
नहीं
At the boarding gate, you find out that you're changing a song for the Sangeet.
And it's happening today evening, huh?
Yes.
The dance.
Wow.
I blame Aditya.
Oh, you blame me. Guess who's boarding on the final call?
But we made it.
Yes. क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ अनाउंसमेंट में चंडीगढ़ सुनाई दे रहा था.
बाजू में बैठे थे और हमको समझा ही नहीं लास्ट कौन चल रहा है.
धूम ताना के पहले है वो.
Lovely.
ना.
Less than 12 hours to go.
अच्छा हाँ.
फिर उसके बाद चेंज करके अलग पोजीशन.
That is
इट्स वेरी सिंपल.
One full song we need to learn.
Less than 12 hours to go. Huh?
फिर
ऐसे एक डायरेक्शन में कर रही है वो.
Not sure what is happening here.
बनाना वेफर.
Road trip necessities.
सुनते ही रहे भैया मेरे.
Looks so pretty, no?
Find our room key. Come on, Maddie, you can do it. Mila?
Yes, got it.
Our room for the next 2 days. Yes. Yes. एकदम ही काफी टिपिकल राजस्थानी जयपुर टाइप वाइब है ना एकदम सिटी पैलेस टाइप. बहुत सुंदर है.
It has a very pretty old world charm. Look at the ceiling.
Of course, we have a lovely wedding hamper. Please unbox it.
Basically lots and lots of snacks. मानसी का
Ooh.
favorite कपा noodles भी है.
चकली भी है.
Chakli of course. Nice. I'm sure I'm gonna use this. Yay! So excited for the next 2 days.
Sangeet practice, few hours before the performance.
क्या होने वाला है because we're practicing after a while.
Siddharth,
On the day.
on the day. We'll do it. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alfia choreography classes.
Just got done with the Sangeet practice better than what it was before.
Yeah.
I will say that. In general, I'm not someone who is very comfortable dancing. I do it with like my close friends and all, but like I say public mein, I think that's the only thing in like public that I feel like scared of doing. Uske alawa like public doesn't like doesn't scare me.
The only
Anyway,
exception was for our shadi.
yeah, but exactly that's what I'm saying.
बहुत कम लोग थे
Exactly.
उसके
So I think even Mansi knows that, and I'm only doing it because it's her wedding, and obviously
Yes.
we're trying to like make her feel special. So I hope it turns out good, and I
will,
hope
it will.
yeah, that's it.
So we just went and said hi to Mansi and came
look
back
who we have.
with a new member.
New member काय का?
अरे अपने लिए
She's
तो
the
new
OG member.
अपने लिए तो
She's
new member.
Mansi's daughter.
Because मृदुल आदित्य पे तो सिर्फ अपन रहते हैं. New member here.
Here, got it. So anyway, we need to go grab nail polish for Manasi. So वो करते हैं and we're
Lunch भी
babysitting
थोड़ा.
Kiwi.
Yeah.
I'm getting trained
For what?
for my future pub.
Hey bhai.
We're all ready for the haldi, and the haldi is
Appalooza themed, which means basically it's based on different apps like
which is so
Netflix,
creative.
YouTube, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram.
हमें थोड़ा टाइम लगा समझने के लिए कि मतलब क्या है, कि इसका मतलब क्या है, and then when we stepped in, everything made
Yes.
sense. So there are different booths based on different apps. Like there's a YouTube app, there's a WhatsApp app का booth. ऐसे अलग है.
Where you can
and
record
activities.
where you can record something, write something, or do something for the couple. I think it's fun.
Very
It's
cute. Something for them to like look back on
Yes.
years later also.
So there's a.
Is it the same guy?
No, I don't think it's the same guy. But we had this at our wedding, and till the time we could go and do it, वो already चले गए थे.
I'm getting to do it finally.
Yes.
Can I hear you guys scream a little louder? Let the show begin! Oh, ma'am, rugby. Either of them, neither of them.
Neither of them.
Nobody likes rugby. And the right answer is it a bluff? It's right. 100 points! So you move on to 200 points, but now you have to go back to 0. Poodle. Mansi. Yes! 1 minute. Now here, she looks confident for some reason. What is the card? Please show the camera. Red velvet cheese. हाँ, और थोड़ा obvious कर, और हंसो थोड़ा जोर से.
She knows.
Please say. Why?
Why? Because she's the favorite.
But how do you know this? That's what we know. We don't know the stories behind these facts also, no? That's why.
So basically, there's this one cheesecake in Mumbai that she really likes. Whereas there's another red velvet cheesecake that I really like. It's from 2 different restaurants or whatever, like bakeries, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, that's why red velvet. So we have that thing going.
Draw.
Lavender and Mansi.
दो फूल डालने हैं और आगे पास करना है, सिर्फ इतना करना है. जो लास्ट में जो है हमारे साथ, हाँ वहां से स्टार्ट करना है. अभी कुछ नहीं करना है, अभी कोई कुछ नहीं करे. अरे ये देखो यार, पूरा चीटिंग तो हमारे.
get it this time. Watch. All changed into my Sangeet outfit. The best part about having a room right next to the girls is this. How do I look?
Very nice.
I love this saree.
Really? I'm feeling little.
No, it's looking very nice. It's not you and it's so nice.
So this is it's not you. It's very nice. Oh.
So I'm all set for the Sangeet in my outfit. It's currently 15 degrees, but it's expected to go down to up to 5 degrees. So काफी ठंडी होने वाला है. I've layered up अंदर thermals के साथ. So yeah, let's go and enjoy the Sangeet. Photo time.
Look at my awesome skills.
Wow.
I want Ritul to take my photos now. Not like this normally.
Angles.
This is everything.
एकदम एक up close zoom in.
Oh, bro, क्या sexy shot है.
नाक के बाद.
Wow. Did you say नाक के बाद?
ये गंदा है.
फिर भी निकाल के आई बना.
देख लिया अभी तो काफी ज्यादा टाइम पास करने के बाद कल भी आपको एक फोटो अच्छा लगेगा.
Oh, I love this. That's it.
That's it.
Oh, shit.
That's it. That's it, guys. It's a wrap.
Can you take some full with Aratera angle?
Look at this. It's Mansi, Sahil, and I think Evie also. Okay, I am all ready. Look who we have here. Look at her cute chanya choli.
Hi guys, so I just went for lunch. बहुत ही अच्छा खाना था. And I'm back to the room. Mridul is with Mansi for their first look reveal shoot, I think. And बारात का भी अभी तक setup हो रहा है. But I can see the बारात preps from here. It looks amazing. बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है. एकदम जोरदार धूमधाम से बारात निकलने वाली है. बीच में डांस प्रैक्टिस कैसे चलोगे समझा नहीं.
Say thanks to Ashi Cab.
Thanks to Ashi.
यहाँ पे कोई इंसान एक जन को एक टाइम पे लाइमलाइट लेने देगा ही नहीं.
Current mama with mouse replacement. Are you tired?
Yeah, the crash is coming in now, but it's okay.
Yeah. नींद भी कम हुआ ना तेरा.
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ मेरा नींद. परसों भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
आज रात को भी नहीं होगा.
आज रात को भी शायद नहीं होगा.
Yes. Ashi, on a scale of 1 to 10, how tired are you?
9,000. Never seen
9,000.
tired,
But तेरा.
No, I have.
She pulls it off. No.
I've seen you in Paris.
That is why last
Not even half. I'm
Yeah.
also very, very jealous of Aditya because he's 12 hours.
इतना जगह खाली है, पर तो भी एल्फ चेयर चाहिए. We are back to our room, मतलब Ashi and Alfia's room with Evie.
Of course, EVs are part of the group now.
Yeah, but our friends are now.
Mama see.
But our friends are now married, guys.
They are.
Yes.
Another person who's married in the group.
Yes, Mancha and Saira are married now.
Comment down below.
Oh shiz. Oh shiz.
2 down, 2 to go.
Oh, इसके लिए अल्फिया का फोटो देखोगे तो अल्फिया ने उधर भी यही किया है.
2 to go guys. Keep the spirit on.
Wow.
Wow, so yummy. It works. It really works. Why are you vlogging me like this?
Just
Why you
दिखाना था
exposing
कि
me?
तेरा ईवी को खिलाने का कैसे टेक्निक अच्छा था.
Come, let's eat.
देख रहे हो मृदु की practice. Mridul, how does she eat? What convinces her? Guys, incoming.
भाई
Practice करके रखा था.
ऐसा कुछ भी सीन नहीं है, ऐसा कमेंट वमेंट करना मत, कुछ नहीं है. अगर रहेगा तो
Put
we'll
men
tell
with
you.
pregnant emojis in the
Who is pregnant emoji, भाई? I think after Ashi gets married, we might start thinking of it, you know.
Okay.
है ना?
Cool. So in the next 3 months,
Next 3 months, you heard it here first.
I'm
ये प्यार.
रात को 2 बजे रेस करना है इनको, ठीक है? 1 सेकंड ना, रुक 3, 2, 1. अरे क्या
This was planned. अबे एक्चुअली हाँ भाई क्यों नहीं भागी?
Prank, huh?
No, it was how the rules are. Starting में don't run, second time is the race.
मतलब पहला तेरा प्रैंक है फिर एक्चुअल रेस.
Innocent for this world.
We have 20 minutes before the boarding begins, but पहले मसाज करना है. Of course. उनके पास पैकेजेस जनरली 1 आवर के है, बट मैम ने उनको बोला 14 मिनट्स वाला दे देना. कैसा है?
काफी अच्छा.
अच्छा लग रहा है?
Look who got influenced here. Hello. We're so sorry. We're checking after so long. But it has been insane. So change of plans. पहले हमने सोचा था कि हम घर नहीं जाने वाले all together.
Yes.
But we had 6 hours. So we were like, you know what? हमें घर जाना है. So we went home. कुछ सोने वोने तो नहीं मिला बिल्कुल भी. सिर्फ पैकिंग किया and there was so much work and like
बहुत
footage
pending
transfer that we needed to do. So वो सब किया.
खाना खाया एंड यू आर आउट लिटरली. लाइक बैठ के सांस लेने का भी ऐसा ही नहीं था.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. बट ठीक है, एटलीस्ट घर जाने मिला, अच्छा लगा, सुकून मिला. राइट नाउ एज यू कैन सी we have some great company with us and we're going somewhere else which you guys will have to wait and see. Maybe you already know it already at this point.
But wrapping up on the wedding, it was a beautiful wedding.
Very beautiful,
First
so
Sundar.
wholesome, and also we realized that this was our first friend who
Yes.
ever has gotten married.
Yes, none of our
Friends have
gotten married. हम लोग किसी के भी दोस्त की शादी में नहीं गए.
गए.
Obviously आदू और मेरा शादी हुआ, but
Correct.
my sister.
Sister,
so
yeah.
वो friend equation में वैसा नहीं बैठता, but
Correct.
I think these were the first ones of our
Yeah,
friends
and
to
it
get
was
married.
so like I understood the whole feels that you
दोस्तों की
get
शादी में
and
जाके क्या मजे आते हैं.
बहुत मजा किया. लाइक हमने तो इतना फन किया एंड जस्ट सीइंग देम कमिंग टुगेदर. लाइक वी हैव नोन मानसी एंड साहिल फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स.
4+ years तो easy है.
Yeah, and it was so nice to see the evolution, and we knew this was going to happen. Like ये culmination होने ही वाला था at some point, and we're so happy that we got to be a part of it.
Yes, wishing
and
both of them a very very happy and successful marriage.
only love, luck, good health, and wealth for you guys. So with that, we're gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you did. Like this video, and we'll see you in our next one.
video. Bye. मेरा बाल सब काट दिया पूरे सब फ्रेम में, but ठीक है.
Bye.